How to find wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. To do so, first of all, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and here make sure you have access to your wallet. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. From here, you will need to select the Receive option, which is just next to the Send option. Once you tap on Receive, now from here you will need to choose the crypto that you'd like to get the address of. Here I'm going with BTC, so I'm tapping on BTC or Bitcoin. Once doing that, it will display you the QR code along with alphanumeric address. Now you can simply tap on this copy icon at the left bottom to copy it to your clipboard. Or you may also tap on the share button at the right bottom, and from there you'll be able to share your QR code or the wallet address to the recipient. So by following these steps, you should be able to find the wallet address of your Trust Wallet application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.